How to fix Amazon Fire Stick not showing up on TV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Amazon Fire Stick not showing up on TV. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, be sure your TV is turned on. Some models will automatically turn on when connected HDMI device is powered up, but many still need to be switched on manually or via their remote. If the TV is off, the Fire Stick cannot do anything at all. So to fix this, repair any loose connections. Inspect if the Fire Stick is well fitted into your TV's HDMI port. Next, plug out the Fire Stick from the HDMI port and replug it. Also, replace the HDMI hub or cable with a new one. If that does not work, use the official components. Ensure you are using the power adapter and USB cable provided. Investigate whether the adapter and cables give enough power to the Fire Stick. Also, plug out the power adapter and wait for a minute and then replug the adapter. Make sure to use the official components to connect the Fire Stick. Once done, restart your Fire TV and match the source or input button on your remote control with the HDMI port to which your Fire TV is connected. In case this does not work, repair the motherboard. Put a plastic opening tool into the Fire Stick's opening on both sides. Next, push the opening tool down the stick's edge to loosen the upper and lower hubs off the case. Raise the motherboard's rear and remove it from the casing and repair the motherboard with the help of a qualified technician. So, this is how you can fix Amazon Fire Stick not showing up on TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.